Hello and welcome to a special episode of Stu's Tech Time. Hello again. Yes, this is going to be one of those videos that you've seen on YouTube plenty of times before. It's going to be an unboxing video, but it's a grand unboxing video of all the stuff that's been sent to me in the last few weeks. And I thought, let's just copy what everyone else does and does a big grand unboxing. So, I need a knife. Got one. Let's get unboxing. And I genuinely can't remember what half of these are. Okay. 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 It's, yeah, a wire-free security camera. Yeah, I can remember this. This is nice. Ooh, this is rather nice. That's right, this is solar powered. I was wondering why the wings were there. This is a solar powered security camera. Yeah, cool. And the reason why I was quite interested in solar power is because there might be a theme in this. I live in a country where you don't get a lot of sun. So I thought, yeah, bring it on. That's a great test. If this works in where I live, then this is a keeper. Right, next one. It's like Christmas. Ooh. Ooh. What are these? I believe these are noise cancelling headphones. Active noise cancelling headphones. So at this point in the video, you realise you're not recording, or your mic's not. Yeah, I've got my mic on, that's all right. All right, let's have a quick look at these. Looks quite nice. These look very, very nice. And these are actually noise cancelling headphones, and that's the reason why I said, yeah, I'll have a go at these, because a lot of them say they're noise cancelling, but they don't really. Now, where's the left and where's the right? These feel very comfortable. Yeah, looking forward to reviewing them. Now, this is what I mean by what the weather's like in this country. It rains a lot, and you can see a bit of water damage. Don't really have to do much unboxing there. This is from Initech. Now, I've had quite a few, I think I'm going to have a few products from Initech. Now, what is this they've sent me? I genuinely do not know what they've sent me here. It's a USB plug. And I'm hoping this is a good adapter, because this is an American one. It's a switching adapter. Oh, it has got different ones there. So it's a USB charger from Initech. Don't know how I'll feature that. We'll give it a go. Christmas time. Say what, I don't know if it's about you, but our council's got on at us for recycling, big time. These people, please take note. I mean, there must be an easier way to save the planet. The amount of packaging you can get from Amazon is unreal. Right, what have we got here? What have we got? It's well packaged. Ooh. back on this. Yeah, this is a smart doorbell and it works through, I'm pretty sure this is solar powered. I think it's solar powered. We'll see. And ooh, wow. That's very attractive. I'm glad I went for the silver. There is a gold version of this. The other thing about this is I don't think this is waterproof. Again, another reason why I wanted to try it out, because my climate, a lot of rain, not a lot of sunshine. So I thought I'd try that. It's a video doorbell. What do we got? Yes, I remember this now. Yes, it's playtime on Stu's Tech Time. It's a drone. Now, this drone, I get contact with this company saying, would you like to do a video on a drone? They've got a new one coming out in a couple of months. And I said, yeah, okay. And then said, well, what about in the meantime, we'll send you our existing model. And this is a drone especially designed for beginners. And that is me, never touched a drone in my life. So I'm not going to take it out of the box just in case. I like to keep, because I'll forget where to put things and I'll be puzzled by the time I do my review. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. A drone video, yeah. It's got voice control and video, yeah. Brilliant. Excited. Right, last one. What we got here? Very interesting. Ooh. What else we got in here? Oh, this is from Initech again. All right, this one. Oh yeah. Again, I'll probably just do a video with both these. This is an SSD enclosure, which I use all the time. I've got another one from Initech which I use, and I was very interested to see this one. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. USB 3.0. Yep. I'll put that through its paces. Very neat. Nicer than the one that I've got right now, that's for sure. Thank you very much. Right, last. I think that may be a clue. Right. This is a lamp. It's a wooden lamp. Oh, how cool, how cool, how cool, how cool. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right, this is... Oh, I'm going to have to put this together. A wooden lamp, that is cool. I will definitely be looking forward to that video. What can you do about a lamp? But I'm going to try. That is it. All done. What's my favourite one? I know you were asking that. Oh God, you know, it has to be this. This has to be my favourite. Looking forward to that one. Drone. So there we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that special episode of Stu's Tech Time unboxing. and I should be doing more videos like that. Who knows? Hope you're all well. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh. You know, if you like this kind of video and you found it helpful, subscribe, share, and leave a like. Appreciate it, really helps me out. See you in the next one. Hope you're all well. Bye-bye. If you liked this video, subscribe by clicking here. Anyway, if you want to watch another one of my videos, click here. And if you want to watch something else, click here. Anyway, you get the general idea, you know.